Are you ready to transform those digital whispers into a roaring chorus of positive reviews that'll boost your business? First, head over to Google My Business and sign in with the Google account associated with your business. If you haven't already claimed your business, now's the time to do it. This is where the magic begins. Once logged in, navigate to the home section. Google often provides a direct link to get more reviews right on your dashboard. If you see it, click it. If you don't see a direct link, look for the Ask for Reviews section or find a button that says something similar. This will generate a shareable link specifically designed to send customers directly to your review page. Copy this short, easy to share link. This is your golden ticket to gathering those glowing reviews. Now, put that link to work. Embed it in your email newsletters, include it in thank you emails after a purchase, or even send it directly to satisfied customers. Take it a step further by embedding a Google Reviews widget directly on your website. This prominently displays your positive reviews and encourages new visitors to leave their own feedback. Consider using a pop-up or banner on your website, subtly prompting visitors to share their experience with a direct link to your Google Reviews page. Timing is key, so trigger it after a purchase or a positive interaction. For the tech-savvy, implement Schema Markup on your website. This helps Google understand your business and display star ratings directly in search results, boosting your visibility. Congratulations, you're now equipped to build a stellar online reputation and attract new customers through the power of Google Reviews. Get ready to watch your business shine.